Now we got it to come off. It's nice and pretty in there. All the animals like to live behind a light fixture. So we'll just clean that away. Sure, a nice big spider will come out later and tell us to go away. You have to be careful when doing these kind of things. Sometimes you find bees' nests and spiders. Keep the wire nuts, they're useful. Put them back on the wire so we don't lose them. Got one white, one yellow. Move them both. Take the wires away from the existing fixture. You got one wire left holding in place, which is the ground wire. You can see it's that clear copper wire there with no insulation. Mounted on the bottom screw. So we remove that screw, or loosen that screw, and then we can take the old light fixture and put it somewhere else to be recycled or thrown away. And make sure you save the light bulb inside. So next thing we want to do is remove the two screws holding the mounting plate in place. If you were clever, unlike me, you would have a powered screwdriver to do this. This would probably take you about 30 seconds. Since I didn't think to do that or was too lazy to go and grab one, I will do this manually. But I know people at home are much smarter than I am, so do what you think is best. Put the screw into the plastic bowl so it doesn't go anywhere. Take out the second screw. Again, hey, if you got an electric screwdriver, you'd be done by now, but since I'm too lazy to go downstairs and get mine, I'll do it manually. And it's not so bad. Almost there. Exciting, exciting. Now the two screws are out. We can go grab our new fixture and get it mounted.